So this is a flip house, and this, I am led to believe it is a first-time flipper. I don't know if you can tell that the floors aren't straight, but they're not. You can see the bowing right there. My guess is this is a first-time flipper who is just like, yeah, I could do this. This is easy. But I just keep noticing like so many big and little things that add up. And I had some VA clients that just came and looked at this house. These are all original windows, by the way. They were not replaced. Gosh, such a bad job. Sorry, and they were like so upset at this house, which I can't really blame them. They just left someone's old dirty clothes there and chones. Like all of the drawers are crooked. See that? Wow. I feel like there's mold down there that they just painted over. I think they painted over this dust too. What do you think? This is just like a cheap mirror, but like it's like not even centered. Not really loving the tile. This isn't flush with the wall. So crawl space. Like, what did they cover it with? What is that? I thought this was a door for outside because it kind of appears that way, but it's just a closet. None of the floors walk straight at all. Is that a doorbell? Probably. They could have taped it over or just taken it down altogether, but they were lazy. So I told my client, you can tell the good investors from the bad investors. This one just focused on the cosmetic, which they didn't even do a good job at. And they did not pay attention to the majors. So, like the furnace and the windows. I saw the condenser outside that looked older. Oh, here's the primary bathroom or bedroom. And then here's the bathroom. At least it's centered over that one. And then here's the shower, that same ugly tile. I like that tile. And then I thought this was odd. The water heater. That's looks kind of newish. It's from 2018, so that's probably the best thing in here, but I don't know. The one thing that I did like in this house, I feel like I wish they would have done a better job. Like this, the layout of the house is nice. I actually do like that backsplash. I'll give them that. I just wish everything was done better. But here's the laundry room. I want a big laundry room. Oh, you know what? This house doesn't have a pantry. This could have been a pantry too, but I guess you need a laundry room over a pantry, huh? Yep, so that's all she wrote. Felt like the carpet was a lazy touch. Did they run out of tile or they didn't even do a good job with it? It's too bad. It's too bad. This could have been a cute house. So unfortunately, it looks rushed and not well done.